cute. Nice roof.
Welcome.
Hey! This is Lyndsay.
I'm Monica, and this is my daughter, Shannon.
Hi.
And this is Carson in here.
Oh, hi, Carson. You're so cute. Oh, my gosh.
Thanks.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for on and off for 14 years.
And it's 3 bedrooms?
It's 3
2 bath-
bedroom, 2 full baths.
Okay.
And it's got a deck on the back
How long was it on the market?
for 3 months.
Okay.
I was selling it for $400,000, and I wanted to get the full $400,000 because this is kind of my nest egg.
Yeah.
Outside, this is beautiful. I love the Rambler. The few things that I see is, you know, we could add a little bit more color out here, and I'm super excited to see the rest of this house.
Well, come on in then.
Do it.
Thank you.
This is the entrance.
Oh, this is nice.
This is the living room.
I love the vaulted ceilings.
Yes, it really makes the room appear bigger.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the kitchen.
This is the eating area over here. This is the kitchen.
Oh, wow. It feels open.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Could we move on to the living room?
Okay, let's go.
You can still see in through the window.
Yeah, okay,
so-
good.
Other
Okay.
side of the fake window. Again, this is a great size room.
It is. It's really nice and big.
I think that this room is great. I think it's got great potential. I love the vaulted ceilings.
Yes.
The window to the kitchen on this side of the room is still a little weird.
It
It's
is.
Throwing you off.
throwing me
Yeah.
off.
Yeah.
Not sure what to do about that. When this home was built, you know, separate rooms was a little bit more of a desired layout. Now, the open layout is more of what people look for. And then also this corner unit dates the home, in my
Yeah,
opinion.
it does.
So I think we could do something really cool here. I would love to
Definitely.
see outside though.
What a beautiful yard. This is a phenomenal sized deck, but this probably isn't as aesthetically pleasing to the eye as railings would have been. However, to take it out and dump it
Right.
and determine what we're gonna do with these posts here, is it going to give us a return
Right.
on the cost of that? Okay, let's go see your bedrooms.
Awesome,
All
I'm
right.
excited.
Okay, main bedroom.
Great size room. I would say in here, really just maybe updating the light fixture, potentially the trim.
Right.
But this is a great size room. I love the paint that you chose. It's
Oh,
very
thank
neutral and great size closet. And then you do have a main bath as well, it looks like.
Yep.
So this is the main bathroom. It's got a shower
Oh,
and
nice.
a bathtub, a double sink.
Okay, so it's a 5-piece. That's nice.
Yeah.
But we need some style added to it. We could do some updates.
This is really nice size for the main bath and a 1,500 square foot.
Yeah.
This is a huge selling point
Yeah.
to the house. Positive of your house is everything is very neutral.
Yes.
That it gives a very good starting place
Yeah.
for updating. What we were hoping was, since Shannon's only here for a day, we could get you guys out to see a comp house today in the neighborhood if that works for you.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Let's do it.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hi.
So, what do you think? Initial thoughts?
The yard is super cute.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cute little front porch.
Yeah, it's
Fun
very
little
cute.
seating area.
I like the window box.
So it's very welcoming.
Yes, it
is
is.
what we really felt here, which
Uh-huh.
is absolutely achievable at your home.
And this house is similar year built, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms.
Great.
Okay, let's get inside.
I'm anxious to see it.
It's so pretty.
Okay, let's focus on the kitchen first. What's
Okay.
your impression of the kitchen?
It's really nice and roomy.
Nice and bright and open. I like it.
In your kitchen, it really just needs an updated new countertop and appliances, some fresh paint on the walls and cabinets, and then we need to open it up some for increased entertaining and maneuverability. For your living room, we need to grab the buyer's attention the moment they walk in the door. So, we need to remove the outdated columns along with the half wall since they close off the living room from the rest of the house. We need new light fixtures, new flooring that flows from the living room all the way through the kitchen into the family room, and a fresh coat of paint on the walls.
So here's the $1 million question. Being that this was on the market for 5 days and they got multiple offers.
Wow.
How much do you think this sold for?
I'm thinking like $450.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
So it was listed at $499.
Wow.
$999.
Wow.
What?
And they sold for $550.
Whoa!
You have got to be kidding me.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
So here's my pitch for you, Monica. I'm gonna take away all your decision making, all that pressure, all of that, stress that you feel, and we're gonna put all of that on these shoulders. And we would love to come into your home. You were on the market for $400,000, but you weren't getting any buyers at that price.
There are a few areas of your home that we really need to focus on. We would definitely want to open up the main living area by removing the dated columns. We'll update your living room with a new fireplace and new flooring throughout the whole house. In your kitchen, we put in new modern appliances, fresh paint, and create a better flow. Your main bathroom could use a stylish upgrade with modern tile and a shower makeover. Outside, I'd want to rethink the back deck to take better advantage of how much space you have and put a fresh coat of paint on your house. All of that would be about $40,000 of our own money that we would invest.
And we like to be not super aggressive because we want to get that bidding offer. We'll probably list somewhere around $480.
Wow.
So once
Wow.
we get our
Yeah.
$40,000 back for that initial investment, that's an additional $40,000 profit from where you were unable to sell. We would then split, so that's an additional $20,000 in your pocket.
Wow, that sounds fabulous. How can I say no?
Hey!
All right, let's go.
Matt, our realtor turned general contractor, is gonna head up his first project for us over at Monica's house. Les and I are super excited for him to try out his GC wings with us at Lamb Real Estate.
Matt and his team are already tackling demoing. First, we're removing all the carpet. In the kitchen, countertops and appliances are being taken out, along with cutting out that cabinet section that cut off the kitchen from the rest of the space. And in the main bathroom, we're removing the vanity countertops along with the bathtub, where we are putting in a new walk-in shower. Now, I like this in the kitchen because there's no other natural light. Tons of overhead light, which is great, but Lyndsay, this is not a lot of open. I would rather be lighter than darker.
Kitchen, bathroom cabinets.
I think when we go to pick out our tile, we just have to be strategic in staying light. I love when we make a decision.
One thing checked off the list.
One thing, 95 to go.
Yes.
Let's go. I love all of the selections. I feel like you're running.
Is my happy place.
Yeah, I know. Finding the floors, I feel like that's gonna be a huge
We've got to go
solution.
light because of coastal
Yeah.
and then very durable. So all of this is really good durable.
This could work, but again, maybe a little too dark. Ooh, I love that.
Over here at Monica's house, our cabinets have been painted the light green color we chose. Meanwhile, the entire exterior has been majorly revamped with a rich blue coat of paint, along with the front railing getting a fresh gray coat.
Oh my gosh, this looks incredible.
Yeah, what a difference. Great paint, great landscaping, and it sets the tone for what they're gonna find inside.
Yeah.
Easy living, move-in ready, and now I'm feeling it.
There goes.
Woo! Let's look at that.
Our light gray floors are going in, and I love how the planks almost look like wood that's been faded by the sun. Our quartz countertops have been installed and bring out that coastal color of our cabinets. In the living room, we want to emphasize our coastal theme by making the fireplace an eye-catching feature. This is a very cozy home.
Yeah.
You know, coastal is supposed to be kind of that warm vibe, very laid back, very cozy. There's a few places I feel like we knocked it out of the park with design, so I really want to go over the top with our stagings. You know, I really want to make sure we highlight that beautiful fireplace.
Yeah.
Leslie and I, and mostly Leslie, did a killer job on that mantle. This is a major focal point.
Yes.
And then I really want to make sure that we highlight the additional seating space at the bar top in the kitchen. This galley type kitchen doesn't feel small anymore. In the main bathroom, I want to really emphasize the point that we've created a spa-like shower in there. There was that big tub that was never used, and we did this huge shower. We gave this beautiful vanity, and we wanted to create a really, really retreat-like feeling to this bathroom. Those 3 areas now seem absolutely just on point in this home. Now that we've given the deck a fresh coat of stain and taken the old railing off, Monica's backyard seems so much more spacious and open.
Oh my God, you guys. This place looks amazing.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. I mean, obviously I know what it looked like before staging, but I feel like just with the staging, it's just
It all came together.
It makes so much sense.
We are very grateful for all that you did.
Yes. Oh, well.
You did a great job. I mean, he just kicked butt. He's amazing. There's nothing Matt can't do, and he's always willing to jump in, and he seriously just knocked it out of the ballpark on this house.
I'm so excited to show them. I can't wait for them to get here. Are you?
Yeah, a little, just because so much has changed. I mean,
I think she'll really like
the
it.
outside, the inside.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Look at this house!
It looks so
Oh
good.
my gosh, I just love it! I love it. I think it looks really inviting, and I love the colors.
Okay, let's go check out the inside.
All right.
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Look at Mom, look at.
Oh my gosh. I just love this.
This is
so
so
cool.
good.
In here, our goal was just to make it brighter, make it a little bit more modern. We're going for that real, like, coastal feel
Yeah.
in here.
Oh, yeah.
You achieved it.
Yes,
Yeah.
you did.
Something that's soft, that's inviting, that's relaxing.
Yeah.
So really to keep the consistent flooring throughout, consistent paint color throughout, removing any obstacles visually so
Yeah.
that you could see straight through. All of those things to keep that flow going.
Taking out the
you're
posts
right.
made a big difference.
It really did, yeah.
I'm so excited to show you
Yeah.
guys more. Yeah! Okay, let's go. Here we go.
As we start to build our lives, we see a light through a tunnel.
So we're
Oh
literally
my God.
standing where a wall was.
Isn't it crazy how much
Yeah.
square foot it gave you when we just
Oh
took
my
out like
gosh,
2
yeah.
feet?
It's just huge in here
I'm
now.
dying right now.
Yay, go!
Oh my gosh.
If I bought this house, I would just say, I'll just take everything and let's do it.
Really, this is where everybody is. So what we did is we
Exactly.
tried to give way more kitchen space,
Yeah.
as well as you now have serving over there.
Yeah.
Right.
We opened up that hole maybe about 12 inches.
It just looks huge.
So in here, in the main bedroom, we just want it to feel very relaxing. And we want the buyer to see how much space. This is a huge main bedroom.
It
It is.
In here, we really wanted to emphasize there was plenty of room for a seating area.
Yeah.
Same consistent flooring. We wanted to do an accent wall. I felt like it really gave this room that depth it needed.
Yeah. It sets the tone for the room.
Yeah.
Okay, your original list price was $400,000. Our goal was to put in $40,000. We actually were able to stay under budget by $6,000.
Oh my gosh.
I love you guys even more
Oh my
now.
gosh. That is just unbelievable.
Yeah.
So that was $400,000, your original list price. We put in a total of $34,000 to renovation, and we're gonna list it on the market at $480,000.
Wow.
So,
Nice.
yes. So
Wow.
that gives
Exciting.
us a new profit of $46,000. Once we get our $34,000 paid back, that'll be a split of $23,000 and $23,000.
Wow.
If we sell it at that $480,000.
Oh my gosh.
Yay!
That's so
Fabulous.
awesome, yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, our plan is to tidy up,
Yes.
get back to the office, get our marketing all inputted, and then do an open house tomorrow.
Yeah, it should go pretty quick,
Yeah.
guys.
Okay,
Thanks, guys.
awesome. Thanks,
Oh.
guys.
I'll be the last one standing.
Here you go.
Come on in.
This is nice.
Almost like a surprise reveal coming around the side and seeing all this is great.
I was not expecting this much space.
Awesome.
I love the countertops.
Yeah, go ahead. You can go in there. Touch and feel and open.
Is this a
and
quartz?
It is.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
This is bigger than what we have now.
Okay.
I like this cutout here too, because it really opens it up.
We opened that up so that that room really was included.
I love the cabinet color.
You do?
Yeah, I think it's really pretty. Everything has kind of gotten white lately, and so I love just having a little bit more.
So this one went on the market on Thursday, and we received an offer on Sunday. We're listed at $480, and we got $485.
Oh my God!
I know,
so
I'm so
happy.
happy.
That is so cool. I'm so happy.
And with the $6,000 we saved in renovation and the $5,000 we got over list price, so that's $11,000 more that we were able to capture.
Well, thank you.